Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Classes. So, in this video, we are discussing the important question answer from the electricity chapter. Okay. So, first we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions. After that, 1 mark questions and the 2 mark questions. I hope this video will be helpful for you people for the preparation of your board exam. Okay. Yes. Let us start the discussion. The first question. The device used to measure the rate of current in a circuit is the device which is used to measure the rate of current. Option A, ammeter. Option B, voltmeter. Option C, galvanometer. Option D, battery. Here, voltmeter that is used to measure the potential difference, and battery is connected in the electric circuits to supply the electricity. And here, the correct answer is rate of current in a circuit is ammeter. So ammeter that measures the device used to measure the rate of current in a electric circuit. Next question. The SI unit of resistivity is option A, ohm. Option B, volt. Option C, watt. Option D, ohm meter. The SI unit of resistivity. Here, ohm, that is the SI unit of resistance. SI unit of resistance. Then volt, that is the SI unit of potential difference. And watt, that is the SI unit of power. And here, ohm meter, that is the SI unit of resistivity. So the correct answer is the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D is the correct answer. The correct formula that shows the relationship between potential difference and the electric current and the resistance in an electric circuit is, so here you know the Ohm's law, the potential difference that is V, and the electric current that is I, and the resistance R. The relationship between these three, that is V is equal to IR formula. V is equal to IR here. I is equal to R by V. I is equal to VR. V is equal to I by R. R is equal to V by I. Here, which one is the correct one? So that we have to find out here. I is equal to R by V. So we can't write it like this. So we can't change this formula into this. I is equal to VR. This is also not correct. V is equal to I by R. This is also wrong one. Here we can write R is equal to V by I. Can write this R is equal to V by I in this form. So the correct option is option D, R is equal to V by I. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohm and the conductor of 6 ohm resistance are connected in series to 9 volt battery. As shown in the figure, the total current flowing in the current circuit is option A 4 ampere, option B 36 ampere, option C 25, and the option D 0.6 ampere. Here, the electric lamp resistance 30 ohm, that is R1 is equal to 30 ohm, and the conductor of 6 ohm resistance. So here R2 we can take it as a 6 ohm resistance. When they are connected in series to the 9 volt battery, V is equal to 9 volt. As shown in the figure, the total current flowing in the circuit is. So here, first you have to find out the total resistance. That is, Rs is equal to, you know the formula, R1 plus R2. Here R1 that is 30 ohm plus R2 is equal to 6 ohm. That is equal to 36 ohm. Okay, Rs is equal to 36 ohm. What is the total resistance in this circuit? 36 ohm, and we know the value of V. So if you apply the formula, V is equal to IR formula. Okay. Then here we don't know the I. So I will write the formula like this. I is equal to V by R. Now I is equal to V, that is 9 divided by 36, that is 9 ones are 9 fours are. I is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, that you can write it as, so if you simplify this, that is 0.25 ampere. Okay. The correct answer is here, that is option C, 0.25 ampere. So that is the correct answer. Next question. The metal used in the filament of an electric bulb is option A, manganese, option B, tungsten, option C, nickel, option D, chromium. Here, the metal used in the filament of electric bulb. So here, manganese, no, manganese is not used, nickel is also not used, chromium. No, the correct answer is tungsten. Option B is the correct answer, that is the tungsten. Next question. A device used to change the resistance in the electric circuit is to change the resistance, voltmeter, which is used to measure the potential difference, ammeter, that is used to measure the electric current, rate of flow of electric current, galvanometer, that is also used in the electric circuit to determine the electric current, and the rheostat, that is used to change the resistance, that is a device used to change the resistance, that is the rheostat. Option D is the correct answer, that is rheostat. Okay. Next question. Ohm is the SI unit of option A, electric potential difference, option B, resistance, option C, electric current, and option D, electric charge. Ohm is the SI unit of electric potential difference. The SI unit is volt. Okay. Then electric current, that is ampere. Ampere. And electric charge, that is coulomb. Coulomb. And the resistance, that is the SI unit of ohm is the SI unit of resistance. Okay. So you can say that option B, that is the resistance. Here, the resistance of a conductor is 27 ohm. If it is cut into 3 equal parts and connected in parallel, then its total resistance is option A 6 ohm, option B 3 ohm, option C 9 ohm, option D 27 ohm. Okay. Here the resistance of a conductor, that is 27 ohm. Here, when it is cut into 3 equal parts, when this resistance of a conductor, that is cut into 3 equal parts like this. If it is cut into 3 equal parts and connected in parallel, when they are connected in parallel, you have to find out the total resistance. So here each part that is connected with the resistance 9 ohm resistance. Okay, 9 ohm. 9 ohm and the 9 ohm resistance. So when it is connected in parallel, sorry, so you have to use the formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 formula we have to use that. Then 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So here 1 by Rp is equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, that is 1 by 3. So Rp is equal to 3 ohm. What is the total resistance in this circuit when they are connected in parallel? That is option B, that is the 3 ohm. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is separated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be option A 100 watt, option B 75 watt, option C 50 watt and option D 25 watt. Here an electric bulb is rated V is equal to 200 volt and P is equal to, that is 100 watt. So when it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. So when it is operated on 110 watt, so you have to find out the answer by using the P is equal to V square R formula. Here P is, when it is 100 watt, so V square, that is 220 square by R, R is, that is 484 ohm. When power consumed, that is when it is operated in a 110 volt, that is V square, that is 110 divided by R, that is equal to 110 square divided by 484, that is 25 watt. So like this we have to solve it. So the correct answer is option D, 25 watt. Next question. Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? That is P into R, IR square, V into I, V by R. Here the term IR square, it is not IR square, it is I square R. Okay. So this term, option B, that will not represent the electrical power in the circuit. Next question. The SI unit of charge is option A coulomb, option B ampere, option C joule, option D volt. Here the SI unit of electric charge. Ampere, it is the SI unit of electric current. And volt, that is the potential difference. And joule, that is the energy. And the SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. In an electric circuit, to get a equivalent resistance Rs, 4 resistors of 2 ohm each are first connected in series. Later, to get an equivalent resistance of Rp, the same resistors are connected in parallel. The ratio of Rs by Rp is option A 16:1, option B 2:1, option C 4:1, option D 8:1. Here, the 4 resistors of 2 ohm when they are connected in series. Okay. So, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Okay. Here, R1, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 8 ohm. When they are connected in series, that is 8 ohm. When they are connected in parallel, 1 by Rp formula you have to apply. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Okay. So 1 by R1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that is 2 by 4 . 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is the total resistance is Rp is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So here 1 by 2, that we can write it as a 0.5. We can write it as a 0.5. So the ratio is 8 divided by 0.5. 8 divided by 0.5, that is 16:1. Okay. 16:1. Next question. Ohm's law gives the relationship between option A, potential difference and the electric charge. Option B, potential difference and the resistance. Option C, electric current and the potential difference. Electric current and the electric power. Here Ohm's law, so that is V is equal to IR. Here option A, potential difference and the electric charge. Potential difference and the resistance. So here electric current and the potential difference, electric current and the electric power. Here the correct option is option C, electric current and the potential difference. Okay, option C is the correct answer. So till now we have discussed some multiple choice question from the model question paper and from some old question paper that will be very helpful for the exam preparation. Okay. So let us start with the 1 mark question. Draw the symbol diagram of rheostat used in electric circuit. Draw the symbol diagram of rheostat used in the electric circuit. Here, how the rheostat is represented here? Yes. So, this is the rheostat symbol. So, that is for the 1 mark question. Next, write the symbols of following components used in the electric circuit. You have to write the symbols of 1. Wires crossing without joining, voltmeter. Wires crossing without joining and the voltmeter. These two symbols you have to write. That is also for 1 mark question. These symbols are, I repeat once again, these symbols are very important for 1 mark question. Please practice these all symbols. So that is from the electricity chapter. Okay. Yes. Wires crossing without joining. So it is represented like this. Like this. And voltmeter, yes, as usual, voltmeter plus minus. So like this, voltmeter is represented. Next question. Write the symbols of the following components used in an electric circuit. Again, a rheostat and a wire joint. Please note down this question. Rheostat and the wire joint for 1 mark. Each carries half marks. A rheostat is represented like this. Rheostat is represented here. And the wire joint is represented here. Okay. Like this. So that is the wire joint. Next question. Write the symbols of following components used in a electric circuit. First one, combination of two cells, wires crossing without joining. So here the combination of two cells. So this is the combination of two cells. This is the combination of two cells. So this is the combination of two cells and wires crossing without joining. So already we studied this. Next question. Again, draw the symbol diagram of rheostat, a variable resistance used in an electric circuit. Okay. So these questions are from different question paper. So you can see in 1 mark questions. So almost they asked the some symbols to write. Okay. Yes. Draw the symbol diagram of two electric cells connected in series in an electric circuit. Two electric cells, they are connected in series. Okay. Yes. So this is the diagram where the two electric cells are connected in series. Okay. Next question. Write the symbols of following components used in an electric circuit, that is rheostat, wire crossing without joining. So this is also a different question. So repeatedly they asked about the rheostat, wires crossing without joining and the voltmeter. So these all are the different question asked in a different question paper. This is the answer. Yes, so these all are the some 1 mark questions asked in the different question paper. Okay. Yes, next we are discussing the 2 mark questions. So 2 mark questions, let us start with the first question. Give reason. The tungsten is used in filaments of electric lamps. In domestic circuits, the electric devices are not connected in series. Here, this is the 2 mark questions. The tungsten is used in a filaments of electric lamps. So this is the first question. So for this question, the tungsten is used in filaments of electric lamps because it has a very high melting point, allowing it to glow brightly at high temperatures without melting, making it ideal for use in a light bulbs where a filament needs to reach the high temperatures to emit the light. So the tungsten, it has the very high melting point. This is very important. Very high melting point. Because of this reason, it is used in a different electric lamps. Second question, in domestic circuits, the electric devices are not connected in series. In domestic circuits, the electric devices are not connected in series. Here, why they are not connected in series? In domestic circuits, electric devices are not connected in series because if one device fails, the entire circuit will stop working due to the series connection, meaning all appliances would be affected by a single malfunction. So if one device is failed, complete circuit will be affected. Whereas in parallel circuit, only fault device impacted, allowing the other appliances continue the functioning. So this is the main reason why in the domestic circuits, electrical devices are not connected in series. So that is the main reason. Next question. Placing a fuse in electric circuits is essential. Why? Explain. So this is also 2 mark question. Placing a electric fuse in a circuits is essential. Why? Explain. Here, it acts as a safety device designed to break the circuit when too much current flows through it, preventing the damage to the appliances and wiring from the excessive current due to the short circuits or overload, which prevents the appliances by melting due to the short circuit or overloads. So that is the importance of the fuse. Next question. Connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic electric circuits is better. Give 2 reasons for this measure. Okay, please note down the question. Connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic electric circuit is better. Give 2 reasons for this measure. Yeah. In a parallel connection, each appliance receives the full voltage of power supply This ensures that all appliances operate at their rated voltage, leading to the optimal performance and efficiency. If one appliance fails or turned off, it does not affect the operation of other appliances connected in parallel. Here, the first reason is in a parallel connection, each appliance receives the, so this is the first reason, power supply and operate in a voltage leading to the optimal performance and the efficiency. So second one is if one appliance fails or turned off, it does not affect the operation of the other appliances, the function of the other appliances. So these are the two main reasons why parallel connection is preferred over the series connection in the domestic electric circuits. Next question. State Ohm's law. Mention any two factors on which resistance of the conductor depends. State the Ohm's law and any two factors that on which the resistance of the conductor depends. Here, Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. And the resistance of the conductor that depends on the length of the wire. The length of the wire increases, the resistance also increases. Resistance increases. Okay. Area of cross section increases, the resistance decreases. Okay, so that is the reason. Next question. Draw the schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising of electric cell, electric bulb and the ammeter and the plug key. Here, draw the schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising of electric cells, electric bulb and the ammeter and the plug key. So, you have to draw the schematic diagram that should include the here. Like this it should be. Okay. Yes, sorry. Here it should contain the electric bulb. Okay, I forgot to add that electric bulb. Then electric cell and here a meter and plug key. So you can see the flow of the current also. This diagram also asked in the question paper. Okay. Please practice this diagram. Here, draw the diagram of an electric circuit in which resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel, including an ammeter and a voltmeter, and mark the direction of the current. and mark the direction of the current. Here, yes. So here you can see R1, R2 and R3, they are connected in parallel. Voltmeter is also connected in parallel to these resistors, and a meter, electric cell, plug key and direction of the current. So this is also important circuit diagram. Next question. It is advantageous to connect electric devices in parallel instead of connecting them in series. Why? So already we have solved the answer for this question. Why we have to connect the devices in parallel instead of series? If they connected in series, if one appliances breakdown or anything happens in the circuit, the complete appliances will be affected. So it does not divide the electric current on the basis of the resistance, but the parallel connection, so which divide the electric current on the basis of the resistance. So if one device breakdown in the circuit, it will not affect the other devices. So that is the reason. Next question. According to the Joule's law of heating, mention the factors on which heat produced in a resistor depends. According to this law, write the formula used to calculate the heat produced. Okay. Yes, please note down the question. Here, according to the Joule's law of heating, the heat is produced in a resistor depends on three factors, that is current, and second one is the resistance, and third one is the time. Okay, here the formula used is H is equal to I square RT formula. So this formula is used to calculate the heat produced in the circuit, and this is the answer for the first question, that is why parallel connection is preferred than the series connection. Next question. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Name the device used to measure the potential difference. Here, what is the SI unit? That is the volt. Volt is the SI unit of potential difference, and name the device used to measure the potential difference, that is voltmeter. That is voltmeter. Okay. So this is also 2-mark question. Okay. So till now we have discussed the MCQs, 1-mark questions and the 2-mark questions. In the next video, we are going to discuss the 3-mark questions. Okay. Thank you.